like I know you for years, but we met just an hour ago. I never know such old friends, and I like you, I love you, so don't go. You're nice, you're very much me. How very nice we could be, but we met just an hour ago. Let's never know and just be friends, 'cause I like you, I love you, so don't go. Take me home and stay for a while with me. If you could, I mean you're marvelous, wondrous, and quite notorious. Because then we can coffee. 'Cause I like you, yes I like you, you're nice. Nej, den er ikke så lang, men den er fløjet hele vejen over fra USA af, fordi jeg har faktisk skrevet sammen med en jazzsanghandler over i USA, som sendte mig noderne på den, for den er ikke til at finde her. Så det er jo